how does our award-winning benefit help your business? Hi, my name is Zan Thomas. I'm with Arnie Consultants. We are group benefit providers of our legal and identity theft benefit. Now, our ID theft benefit had recently been ranked as the best identity theft service for 2021. Now, what does that mean for you as an employer? These are employee benefits that we offer to your employees, and then they can reap the benefit. But where our identity theft can particularly help an employer is should the employer have any type of data breach issues. Now, I know a lot of employers nowadays and businesses have cybersecurity insurance, or they should. It is a good thing to have. It is a liability insurance that covers should you incur any expenses through some sort of data breach. It covers employees' issues, and it also can cover client issues, things that maybe that you as the business might have to pay for to get things repaired and covered if you bring in experts to help restore systems, unlock computers, whatever it might be. But your cybersecurity insurance is not necessarily going to be an expert in restoring identity theft or restoring identities. And if your employees have an issue, then they're going to want to talk to somebody to make sure that they're taken care of, right? If they've had credit cards open in their name, if they've had money withdrawn from their retirement accounts, these are true stories of things that happen. They're not going to want to talk to your insurance company. They're going to talk to someone that's going to be able to take care of this problem for you. And that is where our benefits come in play. So if employees having issues, you're going to tell them, say, hey, you call this number, you're going to talk to an investigator right then and there, and they're going to get to work and make sure you're covered. So you're going to connect them with people that are going to be boots on the ground resources to help your employees. That's one thing our benefit does. The other thing our benefit does is also comes with $1 million insurance policy that covers any losses incurred through the data breach. So if they're having issues, if they've got to do things if they've got to incur expenses, costs, or whatever it might be, getting their identity restored, this plan covers it. So that's two things. It gives you complete restoration, make sure they're taken care of, and also covers any additional expenses. Now, why do you have cybersecurity insurance? Well, cybersecurity insurance is going to be important for if you have clients, issues with your clients, customers, things that services you have to pay for to get the business back up and running. But the other thing is too, if you have a data breach issue and and your employees need this benefit, we typically offer it as a voluntary benefit. But in this situation, you're going to want to pay for it. Say, hey, look, we've had an issue. We're going to get you in touch with this identity theft service. They're going to take care of you, and we're going to cover it. Now, that's where the cybersecurity insurance can come in. You can if the fees for you covering that benefit get expensive enough, then that might be something you can talk to your cybersecurity insurance, help pick up tab and coverage for those services. We've had that happen as well. But a lot of the times, though, our identity theft benefit is so inexpensive to cover. Unless you're paying, it depends on the size of the company, but unless you're covering hundreds of employees, it may not be worth going through insurance. It might just be worth you paying for it because it's just not going to be worth going through the insurance and whatever it might be. But that's something you don't want to talk to your providers about, and that's going to be a case-by-case scenario. But it does a significant job mitigating risk, making sure your employees are taken care of. If you had employees that lost, a couple $100,000 out of retirement, you had multiple employees that had these issues. Now, each individual plan will take care of them, and then you're just stuck with picking up the tab for the benefit, which is going to be significantly cheaper. So if you're at all interested in offering this benefit to your employees, I'd love to speak with you. My name is Zan Thomas, and I hope you have a great day.